In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll share what BorderConnect RNS PARS Tracking is, the benefits of using RNS PARS Tracking for your Canadian-bound shipments, and also how to use RNS PARS Tracking in BorderConnect with a mobile device. CBSA's Release Notification System, or RNS for short, helps highway carriers receive up-to-date shipment information directly from Canadian Customs when your shipment is either filed by the broker or crosses the border. And having this visibility is critical to fully understanding the status of your ACI eManifests. You'll know exactly what's in CBSA's system without having to call the broker or check their website. Once you've registered for RNS with BorderConnect and you're logged in, click the menu icon and tap PARS Shipments. Then, select Newest Shipments. The Newest Shipments listing contains two main listings. The first listing are your most recent accepted shipments, which are shipments that have been sent by the customs broker and accepted by CBSA. These are awaiting arrival at the border, but not yet crossed or released. The accepted shipments listing is most useful when you're trying to determine if your drivers are ready to cross the border. The accepted shipment listing also provides helpful information at a glance, including the transaction number, the release office, the driver, as well as your ACI trip and shipment status if it was created in BorderConnect. You can also tap the View button for full details. Below this, you'll find your release shipment listing. These are shipments that have crossed the border into Canada or have been authorized to be removed from a sufferance warehouse if it was an inbound shipment. This listing is useful for tracking your shipments to see if they cross the border and for making sure that each shipment gets put into a release status. And in this release shipment, for example, you can also print a proof of release document. Because the proof of release document is generated based on the information received directly from CBSA, this is considered a legal document and can be presented in cases where Customs did not stamp the lead sheet at the border or a stamped lead sheet has been lost. BorderConnect RNS also has the ability to automatically link RNS information to your ACI eManifest. This helps ensure that your ACI is accurate so the information sent by the broker matches what you sent. Conflict warnings for mismatched information will also appear if mismatched info occurs. BorderConnect RNS is also useful when carriers are hauling another company's shipment into Canada, as you'll be able to send RNS status queries. Status queries work by requesting the most up-to-date information on a shipment submitted to CBSA from a customs broker. And since RNS PARS tracking only automatically works by bringing in information on PARS shipments with your carrier code, sending a status query is especially useful when trying to gather information on PARS shipments of another carrier code. To send a status query, click the menu icon, then click PARS Shipments and select Send New Status Query. Enter the cargo control number or multiple cargo control numbers and tap Send Request. And in approximately 2 to 3 minutes, you'll receive an update from CBSA, in this case, that the PARS is now accepted and awaiting arrival. You can also send status queries directly from your ACI eManifest. From the ACI eManifest Details page, navigate down to the Shipment Details, and just above the Shipment section, select Options. Then, tap Send to CBSA, then tap Send Status Query for Shipments, then Yes. From this point, your status query will be automatically sent, and if any updates are received from CBSA, it'll show up on your status query search page as well as your ACI eManifest. And if the driver was set up for text messages, they'd be automatically notified. And to learn how to use BorderConnect RNS PARS on a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.